Alright, welcome to Salazar Art Nation. My name is Frank. So I'm just going to start this video. I'm not going to do an intro or anything. So if you saw one of my last videos, I think it was like a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I did a sketchbook tour with this index card notebook. You can see and I highly recommend you get yourself a junk sketchbook. It doesn't have to be an index card journal. It can be just any sketchbook. You can get some at the Dollar Tree, which I got a couple of those also, and I got this one too. Just any inexpensive sketchbook if you don't want to buy a nicer one, and then just you're just worried about doing perfect drawings. Get yourself a junk sketchbook and just dedicate it to just practicing and whatever you want to do in it. So I bought this one at the Dollar Tree also. It's 60 index cards, and so I decided I wanted to do something fun with it. I wanted to give it an aesthetic look. So I'm gonna be using the blank side as usual, because it's gonna be a sketchbook. Let's take this off. Hopefully this pocket doesn't fall off. You can probably put a drawing or something here. So yeah, I wanted to do something fun with it, since I'll probably just be carrying this around with me. Since it's blue, I'm gonna turn it into the Tardis sketchbook. And this is gonna be really simple. It came with these index dividers, which I took out, and I'm just gonna cut these up and add the little Tardis. Yeah, I'm gonna make it look like a Tardis, so I'm gonna cut up squares and stuff like that. So it's gonna be really simple. So let's just get into the video. I'm not going to do anything to the back. I'm going to leave it like this. So it's just going to be the front. So these two will work fine. Alright, it's looking good. I added some Mod Podge. I went over it, let it dry for a couple of hours, and it gives it that nice texture. I doubled up on the squares, and I cut up one of the frames into 4 pieces, and just use it as a bottom layer, and it really it gives it a nice lift. Hindsight, I probably could have added another layer, um, but I like how this came out. If I do another one, I might do that, but I'm gonna give it some touch-ups. Gonna go over it with a little bit of a paint, just to give it that weathered look. And but it's looking good. I like how it came out. I didn't do anything on the back because it had that plastic, and I want to add a picture, probably a drawing, and then just seal it up. Right, so let's add the paint. If you're wondering why I have a coloring box, this was from an older video I did. I'd say go watch it, but it's pretty cringy. A lot of my videos when I was just starting are kind of cringy, so I don't recommend them, but they're there. You want to dig through the archives. There is the finished TARDIS Journals sketchbook. It is done. I think I went a little heavy on the black there, and also yeah, I dropped some Mod Podge. Trying to be careful getting just a few drops, and yeah, ended up spilling too much on it, but I don't think it's that bad. I like it. I like how it came out. Um, Next time I'll go a little lighter. But yeah, that's it. That's the finished TARDIS journal slash sketchbook, and here is the TARDIS drawing or painting that I was doing, and that was just impromptu. And I know the camera was crooked, so I apologize for that. I didn't realize it was crooked till after I saw the footage. So I do apologize about that. But here it is. I just did it spur of the moment. This is where I had uh, the cover on. So I decided just to use that and just to make a really quick TARDIS, just from on scrap paper. So, I don't know if I'll do anything with this. Might just put it in a binder or something. Right, but that's it. That's the TARDIS journal. Whether you want to say it's River Songs or the Doctors, it's a little pocket journal sketchbook. Well, for me, it's gonna be a sketchbook, but the back has the lines, so it can be a little journal also. I posted a picture on Instagram, so you can go check out my Instagram. It's a Salazar Art Nation. Same as the channel, so check that out. Thank you for watching the video. If you stayed this long, thank you. You have a lot of patience. If you like this video, please give me a like. You got any questions, any suggestions? Do you like Doctor Who? And if so, who is your favorite Doctor? Start a discussion in the comments below. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to tip your waitress. Bye.